Good morning, students. Welcome back to social study class. Today we are going to start our fifth lesson, which is our religious heritages. Uh, Religious heritages, so basically means these are the valuable objects or the qualities such as the historical buildings, cultural traditions, which have been passed down from the previous generation to the present generations. So religious heritage lava in rang kinguni inchi thong shi capture you. So religious heritage is lana kran ki historical buildings in thongi dwa the buildings la to Pashupati Nath tang, Bauddha Nath tang, Swambhu Nath tang, the buildings in tang these things these buildings or these are the cultural heritages which are the passed down from the generations to the present generation la passed down religious heritages lay race Suzuki importance here is okay, so Nepal is a multi-religious country. Nepalese people follow different religions such as Hinduism, Buddhism, Islam, Christianity, Jain, Sikhism, Kiran, etc. All of them have their own religious heritages, and some of them are given below. So Nepal the country Nepal is a multi-religious country chaki wrong anzola religions pe mangbo yures ra choluk follow chikyo loa yures and Nepalese people follow different religions. The Nepalese people din so susu religion choluk loa follow chires ra khashi Buddhism che, khashi Hinduism che, khashi Islam che, Christianity, Jain, Sikh, Kirat, etc. And they have their own religious heritages importance Swambhu Nath tang, Bauddha Nath tang, the importance likewise Hindu Pashupati Nath tang, Bindabashini temples tang, Barai temples tang, the temple chagiri historical importance Pashupati Nath tang Ram Janagi temples chagi those ra. So first thing the country ridulana Pashupati Nath ritos ra. The Pashupati Nath la the kherangi picture na la thongi yiki so this one is a Pashupati Nath, and it is the holy place of all the Hindu of the world. It is situated in Kathmandu. Pashupati Nath area was enlisted in the World Heritage Site by the UNESCO in 1972 AD. Pashupati area includes the temple of the Pashupati Nath, Deopatan, Jaya Bageshwari, Gauri Ghat, Kutum Bahal, etc. There are about 492 temples, chaityas, satals, etc. There are about 1000 Shivlingas in Pashupati Nath area. So Pashupati Nath area, Pashupati Nath Ladu temple di mangchegi changmagi commonly kunyung were ra angajugi Bauddha gi ngedam Gaushala gi dam rang Pashupati Nath di yore ra the Hindu ki sacred place, important place chik chaki yore Quran so mangches phungbo thasa tang church isa tang ta dinjo chaki yore ra. It is a holy place of all the Hindu all around the world, and it is situated in Kathmandu. Pashupati Nath the enlisted in the World Heritage World Zambuling Nanglo ni heritage importance the Kadu Tsure lana ra enlisted lana join lana dire ra yana enrolls lana dire Kadu Tsure lana Chitong Kupkia 72 la tsuyo re ra ni suke accept chilana UNESCO a United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization tadi sopash chakire. And Pashupati Nath nang logla khande duglana Quran ki temples temples naga mangbo to usra Pashupati Nath, Deopatan, Jaya Bageshwari, Gauri Ghat, Kutum Bahal lane dinzo temples to usra. And it chick surprisingly kiran ki Pashupati Nath area nang logla tanga mixing into nganzu join do manura and kiran so kashi do yung sigire ra. Ani indation thana dosh ta wai na di nanglo la shivlingas le do shiva ki linga nganju ki nakpo dosh nganju ki movie din chu la church yo ma lu kyo dosh to dila nganju ki shivlinga le ra ta khurang chu ki church la idol dosh to din chu khazu du la na Pashupatinath nanglo la chikdong res ra shivlingas. Next one is a Swambhunath. It is the holy place for both the Buddhists and Hindus. It is situated in Kathmandu, and there are the chaityas of Swambhu, Temple of the Manjushri and Ajima. The biggest statue of the Lord Buddha is located here. It is believed that the temple was constructed before the 5th century, and this place was enlisted in the World Heritage Site by the UNESCO in 1979 AD. Along with the stupas and idols of the Buddha, there is a temple of the Hindu goddess Saraswati, so that this place is regarded as the symbol of the religious tolerance. Tanga jigi Swambhunath la tu phaba din yang churchi yure ra Hindu din yang churchi yure ra di khale la Kathmandu ta changmai ki haku gi re di Kathmandu ki nga jigi changmai ki place di haku gi re ra there are the chaityas of the Swambhus. So chaityas la tu kapsla nga jigi gompa tap to rang to gompa la na nga jigi prayer hall to orang church is like hall tap to should is ra so chaitya la to khan ki picture nang lo da vai na ra round shape to to akran ki semicircle shape to should is ra. And there are temples of the Manjushri yang ki temples here is nang lo la di nang shingi Ajima ki temple here nang lo la ra. And the biggest statue ku chesho res ra ta di the biggest statue of the Lord Buddha is located here. It is believed that the temple was constructed before the 5th century. So one century la to century chik la to ngaji ki lo kya chi yure century nga la to the longap kya ngu ni su gyo re lan ta the belief chi those ra ngaji ki Swambhunath. And it was enlisted la to ngaji ki it was joined under the UNESCO site under the World Heritage Site by the UNESCO in 1979. Pashupatinath samne ta lo khajula ore 9 la tu ni lo 7 years samni ani Swambhunath di UNESCO ge nang lo la World Heritage Site nang lo accepted chados ra. Along with the stupas and the idols of the Buddha, there is a temple of the Hindu goddess Saraswati ki temples yang those ra manjuki Saraswati ki kude. And so that this place is also regarded as a symbol of the religious tolerance yang lai those ra. The religious tolerance la tu manjuki thamachik chapter chik nang la manjuki deshe khabyo samsra religious tolerance la tu che khande suzuki believe che na accept che you go means it's people allowing other people to practice or any other religions or belief can practice china di re lai chwa anjiki di lai re ra so dilla suina chuluk shemba din zo ina ya anjiki mi din zo li re ra. Ram Janaki temple is located in the Janakpur. So the khawla khidula na it's near the India border gitam like Hindus rather they la khala or mentioned the Chimindu. It is one of the famous holy place of the Hindus. It is believed that the temple was constructed by the Queen Brishbanu Kumari of the Tikamghat. The temple is full of Mithila art and architecture, and it is constructed in the Shikhar style. It gives the identity of our country. This temple is also called Naulaka Mandir because its construction on 28th of March 1967 BS cost around 9 lakh rupees. Temple Disugisuddulana, it is believed that it was constructed by the Queen Brishbanu Kumari Gisuyoredulaidura, and this temple is full of Mithila art and architecture. Mithila latu Indian ki style manjuki Indian ki painting dinjudwa keranchu ki movie ta dinjula ta tu kapsla khashi ki Indian style ki paintings sunju yore ra ta dinju ki khala ore temples nalo la changma indi gi carving ta indi gi arts chu tu lai dura it is constructed in a shikhar style la du temple ki architecture ki nalo la style di la data northern ki side style da to lastra and it gives the identity of our country and the mandir de la khang lai de la na now lucky mandir yang lai do swa now lucky mandir la where reason the khang la na 1967 BS nanglo la ra the khang pa the construction to it costs around 9 lakh bun ku so those ra I mean bun ku should do la that is where construction la James Mosque. It is located in the heart of Kathmandu. The Kirangi there, la picture the green picture the Thongkyore building dura the mosque Chakyore. Near the Gantagar, it is the most popular holy place of the Nepalese Muslim. Tangaji ki Nepal nanglo la yang the Muslim tinju yore ra Nepalese Muslim yore Tibetan Muslim yore ra the Muslim mangbo yore. So Nepalese Muslim tinju ya church ka khadu la na gan khare James Mosque, which is near the Khare Gantagar. Every Friday, people from the Muslim community gather here to pray. Every Friday, Sapa Santa Parish Quran so Sangma Nepalese Muslim Sangma gather Chijan Dela Church Hitus Ra. They also visit the mosque during the Islam festivals. Dinjota Eid Tang Barga Eid Dinjotang Ramjan Tang Dinjot Tuji Kakslani Quran so Sangma Dela gather Chitus Ra. Etc. People also come here for a namaz, the rich namaz law chitaya lead Ezra. Larumba, it is an important holy place of the Kiran community of Nepal. It's located in the Ilam district. Kiran Ilam lana hakuyira. Ilam is famous for a tea landra. Chagi be famous here. Kirat people gather here to celebrate their festivals and they worship their god according to their culture and rit mundum. The Kirat tinsukia kang loki lana che de lo di mundum loki resra ani Quran so sangma they la che chiga lidus. They offer flowers, clothes, money. The Quran so ki kang pui de lana ani mendok dang tulo tinsu dang pisha tinsu dang ra naivedya la du kapsla Quran so ki Diresh Kare Sanskrit word langanji offering to gods to the langanji grains tang grain la to tanganji do la or do than those ra but animal sacrificing, drinking alcohol and smoking is prohibited here. Last the Quran ki the holy place the nanglola the mixi picture the mindu ra the nanglola manji ki Hindu dinju in the temples in the Quran so ki kala or same thing so sacrifice chidwa the daily by in the sacrifice in the chichoki mindura and achang arad in the tunga mindu tamado them in those prohibited and restricted like the dela. Assumption Church, it is the holy place of Christians. It is located at Dobi Ghat of Lalitpur district. The wall of the church is decorated with the Thanga painting in which the life and the service of the Jesus Christ is presented. It is the holy place of the Christians. Kajita there picture nalo thatu kiran chiki dela Assumption Church la thongki yore ra Assumption Church the Quran chiki khala ore holy place Christians chiki holy place chaki those and this khala dugla na Lalitpur district la those ra. The wall of the church is decorated with the Thanga painting. Thanga la du kaps la ngajuki Tibetan ki art story ngajuki krang ki ngajuki khomba do njul juna ngajuki jeba chungi khala already sangichundi de khongki ta jeba chung khande chaktang tang process chunjung ni khande ni sangki gyo tang ta dinjuki ngajuki remo arts nju thongki do na lola especially krang ki thona ya pote na ngajuki even ngaju khomba la yang yore art story ta dinju thanga le ro thanga ki Tini Ra Jesus Christ Quran ki life tang Quran ki services khande chidu ta mimang chidu la khande chidu ta dinju ki carvings dinju yure la ta dinang lo la thi yure la ta remo ki labri ki mostly people gather here on Saturday to pray to Jesus Christ. The Quran ki importance difference the count on la James la Mox la every day people come khatali de la na kuji every Friday lead those right Ani Christians nzo yin ba na Quran su sapin ba la Saturday lead us ra Jesus Christ la preach chigala. Christian people come here during the Christmas and other festivals too ra. Ta di re Quran su ki Christmas tang any festival shimba nzo Quran su de la church chigal lead us ra. It was constructed in the 1955 ADs, and beside above mentioned places, there are several religious heritages in Nepal. The ngola lawa nang shingirwa ta dinzo member ja shimba dinzo yang yures religious places importance ta Lumbini tang Baudhanath tang Muktinath tang Manakamana tang Swargat Wari tang Gosai Kunda Patiwara, etc. Some of the examples of the famous religious heritages of Nepal. In Nepal, people are very religious, and that is why we find the religious places in every ward and toll. So Nepal, the country lana, it's a very religious place, ra. Additionally, every like toll tang dinzola mandir le sokpa do tang komba tang khang maju lo thongki res ra. Whatever the religion these places belongs to, all of them are our valuable heritages ra. Jiki dinzo changma khang lana, they are very valuable heritages chakyo res ra. Thagas chungkyo tang inde maris ra. Dinzo changma jiki historical importance is here is ra, and it is our responsibilities to preserve them. Ta dinzo nga ki thakpo kya di susiki kilen chi ta lenge chi chakki re la ra. Okay, ta changma ki tnong yapo like go yapo tso ki rewa yu ani in case kira yang gom ha zo na ni kya tu yang thangma chi ni ta na dir lai ni. Okay, thank you.